everybody! For those who joined me in the last geometry class, we're going to be doing something very similar. So if you remember all of the steps leading up to those two patterns, feel free to go ahead and skip this first part of the video. But most of you probably haven't seen that, or else, yeah, it's quite easy to forget all the steps. So no worries, we're going to repeat and do it all again. Repetition is key when it comes to geometry. Cool, so we're going to start with a horizontal line. Somewhere on the page, just make sure you've got a bit of space below and above. From here, grab your ruler, place it roughly in the center of the line, center of the page, right on the line if possible, and then just draw a wee circle. Keep that same measurement, placing the point on the left side of the circle, right where the line meets it, and place your point on the right side of the circle. And here we're going to find the diameter of the circle by opening the compass and just finding that measurement there from one side to the other. Keep your compass on the left side as you draw a mark above and below. Repeat on the right side. Make sure that the two lines or four lines all cross over. Then grab your ruler and draw a straight line directly through the crossover points. Now grab your compass and measure from the center of any of the circles. Measure the diameter, so exactly what we started with. And then we're going to place our ruler point on the top line edge of the circle. Drawing a circle there, you know that you're right if roughly the line goes directly through the center. And here we have a wee, I like to call them petals. So just keep an eye on these petals. They're really helpful to use as guidelines. Place your compass point on the top right corner of the petal. Draw another circle. Repeat from the bottom right petal. Bottom left petal. And the top left. And then here we're just going to place a compass point right on the top line again, top of the circle, drawing another one, same on the right. Below. And to the left. Now find your petal points. There's one here. And to finish off, all we need to do is draw 4 more circles just in the corners. So we're creating a nice square shape with all of these circles. go. Oops. So we're just going to create a wee box for around our circle. Just drawing a line around the very edges. Lines around the edges, should I say. It's a nice rainy evening here. Perfect kind of weather for geometry. So here we've got our center line through the center point. I'm going to draw another line through the center of the bottom 3 circles. So just align your pencil to where you can feel those compass marks. There you go. And we're going to do the same thing, but going directly through the left row. And the right. We're going to find those petals that I mentioned earlier. So here's a petal right there. Find the point of both sides of that petal and then just draw a line all the way through from one edge of the square to the other. Find your next row of petals. Find the compass holes to make sure that you're roughly aligned through the center. And draw your line. Just keep doing that all the way from top to bottom. Now we're just finishing it off, making sure that we've got all our wee squares in a row, as the saying goes, ducks in a row. Close it off from point to point and point to point here. So now that we've done that, we're going to grab our compass again, and firstly we're going to place it on the very corner of our square. And just open the compass until you get to the middle point of that top left circle. Once you got that, you're going to make a wee mark here and here. Then you're going to place your compass point on the top right corner. Make a mark here and here. Just do that on all corners. Just making sure that you're crossing your compass over the line of the square. From here we're going to keep the distance of the compass the same, and we're going to see the center here. We're going to go just alongside it to this point here and draw a wee mark here and here, and then find the center again. Go to the point of the next square directly next to it, so don't go on that one, go on that one. Really is a lot easier talking to you rather than trying to talk to a video after recording it. Now that we've done that, grab yourself a darker pencil or a pen. Alright, so there we have our dynamic octagon pattern. This might be enough for you. You might just want to colour the 9 octagons and then also maybe colour in the wee squares, triangles in the background. Or you can take this a step further by creating an additional square within So this might be enough. You might want to colour that in any colours that you like, or you can take it one more step further. So yeah, unfortunately it's a bit of a mess, but I'm going to refrain from starting all over again. Gives you a good idea anyway. So just erase all the pencil lines. And have lots of fun colouring in. So there you go. You may want to leave it like this. You may want to actually keep it within a box. Or you may want to colour more of it in. I'm going to add a bit of yellow to this one. And there you have it. Our tiled static octagons. Thank you for watching. That concludes our 4 and 8 series. We're now going to work on 6 and 12. So look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye for now.